Hey everyone, my name is Len and you are very welcome on my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing Laguna Blue from the G3 Monster Ball collection. The package is styled like a disco ball with some spider webs on the left side. It also has Monster High written in a golden font. It has Monster Ball in the front, Laguna's name inside of the box on a disco ball. Behind we can also see Laguna's full-length art and all the other goals included in this collection. Now let's get her out. I finally got her out of box. She's giving me Laguna.that gorgeous so much. Let's have a quick look around her. Laguna's hair is also sparkly in this line, just like all the other dolls. Her hair is of course blonde, but it has some blue strands and purple shimmery strands. Her hair is put into a sleek side ponytail and is being held by a big sea or monster flower, which is purple and pink in the middle, and you can actually see some tentacles inside of it. Laguna has a very interesting makeup. She has some blue, some purple, and some pink to it. Her lips are actually two colors. They are purple and pink on the inside of the lips. She's wearing a set of jewelry which is matching. These are some octopus earrings, and she's also wearing a tentacle necklace. From jewelry, she also has a blue two-road bracelet. Laguna is wearing an absolutely gorgeous dress. It's created from 3 parts. One of the parts is lacy and it goes up on her shoulder. It has some purple lace as well. The pink part is actually having some reef patterns and it's see-through. The bottom part is made of the same material. It's also uneven. It's a bit shorter on this side than it is in the back. And her middle part is kind of simulating fish ornament or a mermaid tail, as you can tell. It's blue and it has some sparkles all around it. She is wearing a pair of shoes which is pink. The heels are imitating reefs. On the side of each shoe you can see a flower which is kind of a chrome purple color. They are matching the flower on her head. Let's move on to the accessories that Laguna includes. First off, she has this small purse in the form of a seashell. It's of a blue color. She also has this interesting accessory for photo booth ideas. You can put it like this and take pictures. It's actually imitating a bird, but a bird with some tentacles on it. Laguna also has a small tube of lip gloss. The bottom part is blue and covered in spider webs, and the top part is pink and you can actually open it. Now what Laguna brought to the party is a huge kind of bowl with some punch or something. It's looking very monstrously. It's kind of a turquoise blue. It has some dead fish swimming in it. It has some bubbles. The ball itself is purple. It has some tentacles right here and it's covered in spider webs. She also brought matching glasses. They have some tentacles crawling out of them. They're both covered in spider webs. And lastly, to put the punch into the glasses, we have a spoon which is imitating a snake. It's purple. And the last thing that we get with all the dolls is another postcard from the Monster Ball with Laguna, Claudine, and Cleo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Leave a like, leave a comment under this video, subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. This was 𝓪Find. Bye bye!